Bioluminescence is a captivating natural phenomenon where living organisms produce and emit light. This glowing effect is created through a chemical reaction that occurs in certain organisms, such as fireflies, jellyfish, fungi, and some types of bacteria. Unlike fluorescence, where an organism absorbs light and re-emits it, bioluminescence involves the creation of light without the need for external light sources. The glow can be seen in the dark ocean depths, on forest floors, and in the nighttime sky, providing a breathtaking glimpse into nature's ability to use light for survival, communication, and attraction. The process of bioluminescence occurs when a molecule called luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of an enzyme called luciferase. This chemical reaction produces light as a byproduct, and the amount of light emitted can vary from a faint glow to a brilliant burst. The light produced by bioluminescent organisms is typically blue or green, as these wavelengths travel more efficiently through water and air, making them ideal for communication and visibility in low light conditions. Bioluminescence occurs in many different environments, but it is most commonly associated with deep-sea organisms. The ocean, especially in the mesopelagic zone 200,000 meters below the surface, is home to the greatest concentration of bioluminescent creatures. These creatures use bioluminescence for various purposes, from hunting and mating to defense and communication. Many bioluminescent organisms use their light to communicate with each other. Fireflies, for example, use flashing patterns to attract mates. Different species of fireflies have unique light patterns that allow them to distinguish each other. Similarly, deep-sea fish, squids, and other marine creatures use bioluminescence to signal other members of their species, especially in the dark depths where visibility is low. Some organisms, especially those in the ocean, use bioluminescence for camouflage. This is known as counterillumination, where an organism emits light from its underside to match the brightness of the water above it. This helps them blend in with the surrounding environment, making it harder for predators to detect them from below. Certain squid and fish species, for instance, use this strategy to evade predators. Predators like the anglerfish use bioluminescent lures to attract unsuspecting prey. The anglerfish has a glowing fishing pole that hangs in front of its mouth, attracting smaller fish. Once the prey is close enough, the anglerfish strikes quickly, using its bioluminescent lure to draw in the unsuspecting target. Many organisms use bioluminescence as a defense mechanism. For example, some species of squid and shrimp can produce bright flashes of light to startle predators, giving them a chance to escape. In other cases, organisms like the cyprinid shrimp release bursts of light to confuse or temporarily blind predators, allowing them to flee into the darkness. In some species, bioluminescence plays a vital role in the mating process. Fireflies, one of the most famous bioluminescent creatures, use their glowing bodies to attract mates. Each species of firefly has its own unique flashing pattern, and females typically respond to the male's flashes, signaling their readiness to mate. Fireflies, Alampyridae fireflies, are perhaps the most well-known bioluminescent organisms. Their glowing light is used primarily for mating purposes, with males emitting rhythmic flashes and females responding with a pattern of their own. The glowing light in fireflies is produced by a chemical reaction in their abdomen, where luciferin and luciferins combine to release light. Jellyfish, a Cnidaria phylum, jellyfish, especially species like the Equora victoria, are famous for their bioluminescence. These creatures use light to attract prey, communicate with other jellyfish, or defend themselves. The glow of the jellyfish is produced by a protein called green fluorescent protein, GFP, which can be used in scientific research due to its ability to glow under UV light. Anglerfish, Lophiiformes order, known for their eerie appearance, anglerfish have a bioluminescent lure protruding from their heads. This lure, a glowing organ that emits light, is used to attract prey. The anglerfish's bioluminescence is a tool for survival in the deep sea, where food is scarce and the darkness is all-encompassing. Bioluminescent mushrooms, Mycena genus, certain species of mushrooms, particularly Mycena luxaterna, exhibit bioluminescence. These mushrooms glow faintly in the dark, creating an enchanting scene in forests. The exact purpose of their glow is still unclear, but it may be used to attract insects that help disperse the spores. Deep-sea creatures, many deep-sea creatures, including lanternfish, certain types of squid, and other marine organisms, rely on bioluminescence to survive in the pitch-black environment of the deep ocean. These creatures often use bioluminescence for mating, attracting prey, or as a means of defense against predators. The study of bioluminescence has had a significant impact on various scientific fields, particularly in biology, medicine, and environmental science. For example, the discovery of green fluorescent protein, GFP, in jellyfish has revolutionized molecular biology by allowing scientists to track the behavior of proteins and cells in real time. GFP and other bioluminescent proteins are now commonly used as markers in genetic research. Bioluminescence is also being used in environmental monitoring, where scientists utilize bioluminescent bacteria to detect pollutants in water or to assess the health of marine ecosystems. Bioluminescence is one of nature's most mesmerizing phenomena, with a variety of organisms using light for survival, communication, and reproduction. From the glowing fireflies lighting up summer nights to the mysterious deep-sea creatures that illuminate the dark depths, bioluminescence continues to captivate our imagination and inspire scientific research. Whether for practical survival or as a fascinating display, the phenomenon of bioluminescence serves as a reminder of the incredible adaptability and wonder of life on Earth.